श्रीराम समर्थ श्रीराम. दशक तिसरा स्वगुण परीक्षा, समास चौथा स्वगुण परीक्षा, भाग क.
Dashak 3 Commentary on Life Chapter 4 The Misery of Family Life Part 3 Shri Ram.
लेकुरे उदंड झाली, तोते लक्ष्मी निघून गेली. बापडी भिकेसी लागली, काही खाया मिळेना.
Many children were born and the goddess Lakshmi left the house. The poor family members became beggars. They could not get food to eat.
लेकुरे खेळती धाकुटी, येके रांगती येके पोटी. ऐसी घरभरी झाली दाटी, कन्या आणि पुत्रांची.
Some children were toddlers. One was still in the womb. The house was full of sons and daughters.
दिवसे दिवस खर्च वाढला, यावा होता तो खुंटून गेला. कन्या उपवरी झाल्या त्याला, उजवावया द्रव्य नाही.
Expenditure increased day by day and income which was expected became short. The daughters came of age but there was no money for their wedding.
माय बापे होती संपन्न, त्यांचे उदंड होते धन. तेने करिता प्रतिष्ठा मान, जनी झाला होता.
His parents were rich and there was lot of money by which they were respected in the society.
भरम आहे लोकाचारी, पहिली नांदणूक नाही घरी. दिवसे दिवस अभ्यंतरी, दरिद्र्य आले.
People however thought that they were even now rich, but actually the position was not so. The family was really poor.
ऐसी घरवात वाढली, खाती तोंडे मिळाली. तेने प्राणियास लागली, काळजी उद्वेगाची.
In this way, with the expansion of family and with many mouths to feed, the person was much worried.
कन्या उपवरी झाल्या, पुत्रास नोवऱ्या आल्या. आता उजवणा केल्या, पाहिजेत की.
The daughters were of marriageable age, the sons had their own brides, and the person was anxious about how to get the daughters married.
जरी मुले तैसीच राहिली, तरी पुन्हा लोकलाज झाली. म्हणती कासया व्याली, जन्म दारिद्र्ये.
If they remained without marriage, the public was there to criticize and say, why did they even produce these children? To be poor from their very birth?
ऐसी लोकलाज होईल, वडिलांचे नाव जाईल. आता ऋण कोण देईल, लग्नापुरते.
He was afraid that there will be public shame and the good name of his elders would be spoiled. He thought, who will give me loan for marriage?
मागे ऋण ज्याचे घेतले, त्याचे परतोन नाही दिले. ऐसे आभाळ कोसळले, उद्वेगाचे.
The loan which was taken earlier was not even repaid yet. Thus, there was a tremendous calamity, a constant anxiety, like a bolt from the blue.
आपण खातो अन्नासी, अन्न खाते आपणासी. सर्व काळ मानसी, चिंतातुर.
We eat food, but the food also eats us. He was very anguished mentally.
पती अवघीच मोडली, वस्तभाव गहाण पडिली. आहा देवा वेळ आली, आता दिवाळ्याची.
All his credit was gone. Whatever was valuable in the house was mortgaged, and he was at the threshold of insolvency.
काही केला ताडा मोडा, विकिला घरीचा पाडा रेडा. काही पैका रोकडा, कळांतरे काढिला.
Some things were sold, some oxen and animals were sold, and some amount was raised by borrowing at a heavy rate of interest.
ऐसे ऋण घेतले, लोकिकी दंभ केले. सकळ म्हणती नाव राखिले, वडिलांचे.
Thus he was under the burden of loans, but made an outward show of keeping the fame of his family intact.
ऐसे ऋण उदंड झाले, ऋणा इति वेढून घेतले. मग प्रयाण आरंभिले, विदेशाप्रती.
But as the loan was big, those who gave him loans started harassing him. So he set out to go to other country.
दोन्ही वरुषे बुडी मारिली, नीच सेवा अंगीकारली. शरीरे आपदा भोगिली, अतिशयेसी.
He absconded for 2 years, served very lowly persons even as a menial, and suffered a lot of physical strain.
काही मिळविले विदेशी, जीव लागला मनुष्यापासी, मग पुसोनिया स्वामीसी, मुरडता झाला.
He earned something in the foreign land, but he missed his family members very much. So he asked for leave from his employer and returned home.
तव ते अत्यंत पीडावली, वाट पाहात बैसली, म्हणती दिवस गती का लागली, काय करणे देवा.
Here, his family members were also unhappy. They were waiting for him and saying to themselves, "Why is he so late? Oh God, what can I do now?"
आता आम्ही काय खावे, किती उपवासी मरावे, ऐसियाचे संगतीस देवे, कापा घातले आम्हासी.
What can we eat? Should we just die of hunger here? Why did you even give us birth in this family?
ऐसे आपुले सुख पाहाती, परी त्याचे दुःख नेणती, आणि शक्ती गेलिया अंती, कोणीच कामा न येती.
In this way, they were only concerned about their own comfort. They did not know about his suffering. This was the state of affairs while he was strong enough. But had he been old and weak, nobody would have helped him.
असो ऐसी वाट पाहता, दृष्टी देखला अवचिता, मुले धावती ताता, भागलास म्हणवनी.
While they were waiting for him, suddenly when they saw him coming, children ran towards him, calling, "Oh daddy, you look so tired. Come, come."
स्त्री देखो न आनंदली, म्हणे आमुची दैन्य फिटली, तव ये रे दिधली, गाठोडी हाती.
The wife was happy to see her husband and said, "Now our poverty is over." Then the bundles and packages which he had brought were given by him to them.
सकळासा आनंद झाला, म्हणती आमुचा वडिला आला, तेने तरी आम्हाला आंग्या टोप्या आणल्या.
All the children were happy. They said, "Our dad has come. See, he has brought me a shirt, he has brought me a cap."
ऐसा आनंद चारी दिवस, सवेच मांडली कुसमुस, म्हणती हे गेलिया आम्हास, पुन्हा आपदा लागती.
Some days were thus spent happily, but again they started discussing privately, "If our father goes away again, we will be miserable again."
म्हणून आणिले ते असावे, येणे मागुते विदेशास जावे, आम्ही हे खाऊ न तो यावे, द्रव्य मिळवून.
So let what he has brought be kept here, but he should go back again to the foreign land and come again with more money, by which time we would finish what he has brought now.
ऐसी वासना सकळांची, अवघी सोयरी सुखाची, स्त्री अत्यंत प्रीतीची, तेही सुखाच लागली.
Such was the desire of all family members. All are concerned only for their own comfort. The wife who was supposed to be a loving wife was also very selfish.
स्वदेशी बहुद गदला, विश्रांती घ्यावया आला, श्वासही नाही टाकिला, तो जाणे ओढवले.
Actually, the man was very tired in foreign land and had come home for some rest. But before he could get that, or he could have some respite, it was again time for him to go.
पुढे अपेक्षा जोसियांची, केली विवंचना मुहूर्ताची, वृत्ती गुतली तयाची, जाता प्रशस्त न वटे.
He went to an astrologer and decided an auspicious day to go. But his attachment for his family was such that he could not bear the thought of separation.
माया मात्र सिद्ध केली, काही सामग्री बांधली, लेकुरे दृष्टीस पाहिली, मार्गस्थ झाला.
He somehow collected his things, took some amount useful on the way, once looked at his dear children, and started back on his journey.
स्त्रियेस अवलोकिले, वियोगे दुःख बहुत वाटले, प्रारब्ध सूत्र तुकले, ऋणानुबंधाचे.
He looked at his wife, became very unhappy to be away from her, but strings of togetherness had somehow to be cut.
कंठ सद्गतीत झाला, न सवरेच गहिवरला, लेकुरा आणि पित्याला, तडातोडी झाली.
His heart was full of sorrow. He could not control his sobs. The children and their father were separated.
जरी ऋणानुबंध असेल, तरी मागुती भेटी होईल, नाही तरी संगती पुरेल, येची भेटीने तुमची.
He said, if at all it is in our destiny to meet again, we will meet each other again. Otherwise, this may be our last meeting.
ऐसे बोलोन स्वार होये, मागुता फिरो पाहे, वियोग दुःख न साहे, परंतु काही न चले.
So saying, he rode upon the horse, but turned back again and again, his eyes searching for those close to him, but there was no use.
आपुला गाव राहिला मागे, चित्त भ्रमले संसार उद्वेगे, दुःखवला प्रपंच संगे, अभिमानास्तव.
He left his own village behind. His mind was confused and anxious by the troubles of the family life. Because of his attachment and pride, all the suffering was in his lot.
ते समयी माता आठवली, म्हणे धन्य धन्य ते माऊली, मज कारणे बहुत कष्टली, परी मी नेणेची मूर्ख.
Then he remembered his mother and said, how great was my mother, how great were the pains she took for me, but I did not understand it then. What a fool I was.
आजी जरी ते असती, तरी मजला कदा न विशंभती, वियोग होता आक्रंदती, ते पोटागी वेगळीच.
Had she been here today, she would not have let me suffer so much. The real affection of mother is unparalleled. She would have cried out now, seeing me going.
पुत्र वैभवहीन भिकारी, माता तैसाची अंगीकारी, दगदला देखोनी अंतरी, त्याच्या दुःखे दुःखवे.
Even if the son is poor or a beggar, mother accepts him as he is and suffers herself by the suffering of her son.
प्रपंच विचारे पाहता, हे सकळ जोडे न जोडे माता, हे शरीर जे करिता निर्माण झाले.
If we look at the state of affairs in all family relations, they can be had again, but mother cannot be replaced by anybody else. Mother who gave me birth.
लावतरी ते माया, काय कराविया सहस्र जाया, परी भुलोन गेलो वाया, मकर ध्वजाचे नी.
Even if mother is not good natured, she is real one who cannot be compared with anybody else. What is the use of thousands of wives? But alas, I was deceived by a Cupid.
या एका कामा कारणे, जीवलगासी द्वंद्व घेणे, सखी तीच पिसुणे, ऐसी वाटती.
Because of this lust, we fight with our own people and we feel that they are not friends but our enemies.
म्हणून धन्य धन्य ते प्रपंची जन, जे माये बापेचे भजन, करीती न करीती मन, निष्ठुर जीवलगासी.
He further said that blessed are the family people who worship their parents and are not cruel to their relatives.
संगती स्त्री बाळकाची, आहे साठी जन्माची, परी माये बापे कैसी, मिळतील पुढे.
The company of wife and children is temporary, but parents will not be available again.
ऐसे पूर्वी होते ऐकिले, परी ते समयी नाही कळले, मन हे बुडून गेले, रती सुखाचा डोही.
I have heard this earlier, but at that time I did not realize it, and my mind was indulging in the pond of passionate pleasure.
हे सखी वाटती परी पिसुणे, मिळाली वैभवा कारणे, रिते जाता लाजीरवाणे, अत्यंत वाटे.
These people appear to be very dear friends, but they are coming only for my money. Surely they are my enemies. I feel ashamed to go back home without any money.
आता भलतैसे करावे, परी द्रव्य मिळवून न्यावे, रिते जाता स्वभावे, दुःख आहे.
Now I will do anything, but will take home some money, because if I return empty-handed, it is nothing but a shame.
ऐसी वेवर्धना करी, दुःख वाटले अंतरी, चिंतेची ये महापुरी, बुडून गेला.
He was brooding like this and was really drowning himself in the deep waters of worry and sorrows.
ऐसा हा देह आपुला, असताच पराधीन केला, ईश्वरी कानकोंडा झाला, कुटुंब काबाडी.
He again said, such is our body. While it is actually independent, it has become dependent because of such desires. I have turned my back on God and I have become ready to do any hard work for my family.
या एका कामासाठी जन्म गेला अटाटी, वय वेचल्या सेवटी, एकलेची जावे.
For this passion, the whole life is spent in hard work. And when one becomes old, one has to be alone.
ऐसा मनी प्रस्तावला, क्षण एक उदास झाला, सवेची प्राणी झळंबला, माया जाळे.
In this way, he repented, became dejected for a while, but again was caught in the net of Maya, illusion.
कन्या पुत्रे आठवली, मनीहुनी क्षिती वाटली, म्हणे लेकुरे अंतरली, माझी मज.
He again remembered his sons and daughters, and his mind was beyond limits in pathos. And he said, "Oh God, my own children are estranged from me."
मागील दुःख आठवले, जे जे होते प्राप्त झाले, मग रुदन आरंभले, दीर्घ स्वरे.
He remembered all the suffering he had undergone from childhood and started to cry out loudly.
आरण्य रुदन करिता, कोणी नाही बुझाविता, मग होये विचारिता, आपुले मनी.
But in the wilderness of life, his cry was futile. There was nobody to give him a comforting word. Then he thought to himself,
आता कासया रडावे, प्राप्त होते ते भोगावे, ऐसे बोलून या जीवे, धारिष्ट केले.
Then he thought to himself, why should I cry now? I must face what comes along. Thinking this way, he took heart again.
ऐसा दुःखे दगदला, मग विदेशा प्रती गेला, पुढे प्रसंग वर्तला, तो सावध ऐका.
So in short, very unhappily, he left for another country. Now please listen to what happened next.
इति श्री दासबोधे गुरु शिष्य संवादे स्वगुण परीक्षा नाम समास चौथा श्रीराम.
Thus, in the third dashak of Dasbodh, in the dialogue between the Guru and the disciple, this fourth chapter by name Misery of Life, part 3 is completed here. Shri Ram, Samartha Shri Ram.